Hello, and welcome to the Ideate software presentation on Ideate Explorer and its business value to AECO firms utilizing the Revit Building Information Modeling platform. My name is Richard Taylor, Technical Evangelist with Ideate Software, and I would like to share with you a short summary of the unique business value and return on investment for Ideate Warnings Manager. Ideate Explorer supports many model exploration and auditing workflows when working on a Revit building model. These workflows are supported in part by Ideate Query and the Ideate Warnings Manager, which are essential components of Ideate Explorer. Ideate Explorer is a true model browser, which shows you crucial information about every instance of every element within your Revit model. The built-in Revit project browser is not intended to display or help you navigate through these elements and relationships. Getting the job done quickly and correctly is what all firms must accomplish in today's business climate. Revit is about project data, and Ideate Explorer has lightning fast Revit data discovery and manipulation. Ideate Explorer now includes detailed information about Revit warnings, providing superior quality control by giving you the flexibility to define and manage only the warnings you deem appropriate. The built-in Revit warnings dialog does not allow you to dynamically interact with the elements and warnings while you are working in the Revit model, thus making reviewing and fixing warnings time-consuming and difficult. Failure to manage the warnings in your Revit project could result in poor performance, slow synchronization times, incorrect schedule data, model inaccuracy, model upgrade issues, or even file corruption. These potential consequences can have increasing negative downstream impacts on the overall project, cost, and time frame. Use Ideate Explorer to keep warnings under control and mitigate your risk. Warnings are a key indicator of Revit project health. Stay on top of your Revit warnings with Ideate Explorer to improve project performance and project health. The following statement comes directly from the Revit help pages. As you work on a Revit project, you should periodically check the list of warnings and do what you can to resolve warnings so that the list does not get too large. Some warnings are more serious than others, and having many unresolved warnings can have a significant impact on Revit's performance. Return on investment is crucial to firms. The return on investment for Ideate Explorer is almost immediate through the first usage of the program on your project. What will it cost your firm to fix downstream construction errors in the field that could potentially be avoided by maintaining a healthy Revit project? For a more detailed technical presentation on reviewing and fixing warnings, be sure to check out the warnings video playlist under Ideate Explorer videos on our Ideate software website. Also, be sure to review our extensive online help topics on all the features of Ideate Explorer, including Ideate Query and Ideate Warnings Manager. I hope you see the benefits and unique business value that Ideate Explorer can bring to your next Revit project. Getting the job done quickly and correctly is what all firms must accomplish in today's business climate. Reduce time and improve your Revit's model performance and organization with Ideate Explorer. I'm Richard Taylor, and thanks for watching.